Cheers everybody. I'm going to do a video on PBW and what it does, how it cleans your equipment. Got my tap line, it's 160 degree water. Go ahead and put an inch or so in the bottom of my kettle. Got the old PBW right here. That's what it looks like. PBW by 5-star. I'm gonna get a copy of the MSDS and I'll try to put it in this video. Just it's 1 ounce per gallon, and I just eyeball it. That's gonna be more than enough. Do a spoon and mix it around. Add some more water to it. Yeah. You do not want to get this stuff in your eyes. It is caustic. All right, I just kicked on the burner, heated up to about 160. It was right at 100. I'm gonna let her sit here and soak for about 20 minutes. Clean it up, dry it up, and you see the difference. I also use this stuff for my fermenters. Get that krausen line out, super easy. It's fantastic stuff. I highly recommend it. If you use plastic fermenters or stainless steel conical fermenters, it'll make quick work of it. All right, my brew pump is plugged on. I just plugged it up. Gonna go ahead and whirlpool it. I didn't put 5 gallons in it. I put over 2. I'll just whirlpool it for about 10 minutes or so. I'll work on the hose, the pump, the valves, and just let it go for a short time. It's about 15 minutes in, and still a little bit of residue on the bottom. Let it sit for another 10, 5, 10. See what it does. Night and day difference. Night and day. Happy brewing. Cheers.